Adobe Lightroom is a fantastic tool for photographers and anyone working with images. It offers powerful editing and organizing features that make it easy to manage large photo collections and enhance the quality of your images. One of Lightroom's biggest strengths is its non-destructive editing. This means you can make changes to your photos without permanently altering the original files. It allows you to experiment with different looks, adjusting exposure, color balance, contrast, and much more, without worrying about losing the original version. This flexibility makes Lightroom ideal for photographers who want to keep their options open as they refine their images. The program also offers a wide range of advanced tools for photo correction and enhancement. For example, the graduated filter and radial filter tools let you adjust specific areas of a photo with ease, giving you precise control over how you edit different parts of the image. The adjustment brush is another great feature that allows you to make targeted edits, like brightening a subject's face or correcting exposure in a specific part of the image. Lightroom shines when it comes to organizing your photos. It allows you to tag, categorize, and group your images in a way that makes finding them later quick and easy. The software uses a powerful library system that keeps track of metadata and keeps everything neatly organized in folders and collections. If you're dealing with a large number of photos, this organizational structure is a huge time saver.